Hello everyone, how are you? My name is Ankit. I'm an accountant based in Sydney. I've been doing bookkeeping for almost 15 years. I also specialize in tax. We are preparing a series of videos which our viewers can view and understand Xero in detail. This video series would basically cover from start to end what you need to know in order to navigate through Xero, and we will also guide you some of the common issues that you might encounter in your Xero. So hold your seats together and let's go through the video. Hello everyone to our series 1 of the video, which is setting up a Xero account. Setting up a Xero account is very simple. I will share my screen and you guys should be able to follow the steps that I'm following. So the first step that we would do is that we'll go to Google and we'll search for Xero sign up. So you can see in the first search it is showing sign up for free trial. So we will click on sign up for free trial. Here we'll enter the required details. So I'll enter my email addresses and everything in here. I've already got a Xero account, so I'm just showing this screen for you. Once you've clicked this and click next, it should send a verification email to your email, whatever email that you've got. Once you start validate it, once you click on that link, it's going to validate your email address and it's going to show a screen something like that. So here on my screen, I've now validated the email address and it's giving me an option where I can add my business. So eventually you should be able to, you should be having some sort of an option where you are getting add your business option on your screen. If not, just try to go to the dashboard and you should be able to find add a business options in there. So once you are on this page, we'll just start entering your business details in there. So I would enter my business email and details in here, and you can enter your business details. So for us, the industry is accounting, so I'm going to find accounting. If you can't find something that is related to your industry, then find something which is like more related to the industry that you've got. For country, as this series of video is specifically made for Australia, so the country would be Australia. Now here it's asking a question, do we have an employee? So you have two options, either yes or no. So if you are willing to add employees in the inception stage, then you should click yes. If there is no employees, we would just say no. So at this point of stage, we'll just say no for the time being, but I'll show you later on in the video how we can add employees in Xero afterwards. Now it's going to ask you what tool you're running to run an existing business, and you would see different types of options that we've got: Henry, MBIOB, QuickBooks, manual methods, spreadsheets, etc. So at the moment, we would just say nah, I'm just starting, because that's what we're doing, and I'm just gonna click on the screen to start the business. So once I click on this, Xero would then go back and refresh that and add the business for us. Now you can see on my screen, Xero's trial has been activated. It is now saying that you've got 30 days left in your trial. And there's a price change that has happened recently in Australia, so it's just showing that. So I'm just going to cancel that. This is how Xero dashboard actually looks like. You should be able to see AceBiz in here. This is where you can see your dashboards. So once I've entered the details in there, this is the page which I'm showing. So it's also showing me a 50% 6 months discount. So every time someone enrolls for Xero generally gives like 50% discounts for 6 months, which is a good thing. So you guys should be able to find that code. If you're not, you can let me know and I can provide you a coupon code for that. Also, it's giving me a message that there is a 30 days left in our trial, because this is a trial plan which we have just created specifically for the purpose of our training. So that's why it's showing a message like this. Now the first screen that you can see on the screen, you can see dashboard. It's this light blue bar here indicates what particular tab you are right now on. So this light blue bar, this blue bar underneath it, there is this light blue line which shows that we are currently in dashboard. And you can see how a sample dashboard would look like. You've got your business bank, you've got your invoices in here, you've got your cash in and out, you've got your bills that you need to pay. Is there a particular account that you want to watch? You can put it into that list. text and reporting, and if there's anything specifically that you want to connect to Xero. So this is how the first stage would look like. I would also like you to tell that if you want to add another further organizations in Xero, let's say you've got access, you want to create, and you've got another business that you want to add in, you can again click on add an organizations and follow those steps in there, and then using those same steps you would be able to add another organization into your company, into your Xero account, sorry. Yeah. So that's basically it. That's the first snapshot, the login screen that you will see once you've set up your Xero. Now you can go in settings, and I'll just show you one quick things that you should know about. So here are the basic details which we would cover off later in the videos. But let's just look at the advanced settings. So in the advanced settings, there's this financial settings which would tell us, like, if you want to change your financial year, you can actually change your financial year from here. So the financial year end in Australia is 30th of June, so that's why it's showing in here. And you can also change the quarterly and PAYG and other options in here. So all these options we'll cover in detail afterward, but this was just a snapshot video. Once you start in Xero, what you guys should see.